Hello beautiful souls, and welcome back to my channel where we talk all things manifestation, abundance, and creating a life that truly lights you up. Today, I want to talk about something a little seasonal. How to manifest specific holiday money for gifts and travel. Whether you want to treat your loved ones, plan a special trip, or simply enjoy the season without stressing about money, this episode will help you align your energy with financial flow and ease. Because the truth is, you can manifest specific amounts of money, yes, even for the holidays, when your energy and intention match the frequency of what you desire. So grab your journal, light a candle, and let's get started. The holiday season is a time of giving, connection, and celebration, but it can also bring up feelings of pressure or lack. When you focus on what you don't have, you block the flow of abundance. Instead, shift your focus to the feeling behind your desire. Ask yourself, why do I want this money? Maybe it's to create memories, show love through gifts, or travel somewhere meaningful. When your intention comes from joy, connection, and gratitude, not fear, the universe supports it effortlessly. Step 1. Set a clear intention and amount. Manifestation loves clarity. Decide exactly how much money you want to manifest for your gifts, travel, or holiday plans. Write it down. For example, I am manifesting £500 for Christmas gifts and my New Year's trip. Be specific and intentional. Clarity gives your energy a direction to flow toward. Then take a moment to visualize holding that money, feeling grateful and already knowing it's on its way. Step 2. Connect emotionally to the desire. Once you've set the amount, tap into why you want it. Imagine yourself buying thoughtful gifts with ease, seeing loved ones smile, or booking your dream trip without guilt or stress. Feel that sense of freedom, generosity, and excitement now, before it happens. That emotional alignment is what bridges the gap between wanting and receiving. Step 3. Release the how and trust the flow. This is where so many people get stuck. You don't have to know how the money will show up. That's the universe's job. Your job is to stay open, grateful, and ready to receive. Unexpected money can come through gifts, refunds, new clients, extra shifts, creative ideas, or even small miracles. Stay in a state of trust and curiosity. Affirm with, I am open to receiving holiday money in fun, surprising, and effortless ways. Step 4. Take aligned, inspired action. Manifestation isn't just about wishing, it's about co-creating. Follow any nudges you get. Maybe that's listing unused items to sell, offering a service, saying yes to an opportunity, or budgeting wisely so the energy of money feels safe and supported. The universe loves movement, and every small action you take signals that you're ready. Step 5. Practice gratitude and generosity now. Even before the money arrives, act as if it already has. Give thanks for what you have right now. Celebrate the abundance already in your life, even if it's small, and give back in simple ways. Your time, kindness, support, to keep that energy of abundance circulating. Generosity and gratitude are magnets for more blessings. So let's make this process real and intentional with a few simple action steps. First, I'd like you to answer this journal prompt. What amount of holiday money do I want to manifest? And how will it make me feel when it arrives? Then I want you to write an affirmation. It could be, I am manifesting for gifts and travel with ease, joy, and gratitude. I want you to read the affirmation daily until it feels true. I also want you to visualize for 2 minutes a day. That's it, 2 minutes. See yourself spending, gifting, or traveling with peace and excitement. Feel it as if it's already yours. I want you to stay open to unexpected income. Keep a note of every small way money or blessings flow to you, no matter how small. Then I'd like you to express gratitude every night. End your day saying thank you for the abundance already flowing my way. The more you practice this, the faster you'll align with the energy of receiving. Please remember that manifesting specific holiday money isn't about forcing or hustling. It's about aligning your energy with joy, trust, and generosity. When your intentions are clear and your heart is open, the universe always finds a way to deliver. In more ways, often in ways more magical than you could have imagined. Leave a comment down below how much you're manifesting and what it is for. Is it gifts, travel, or both? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. You deserve to enjoy the holidays with ease, gratitude, and overflow. Until next time, bye guys.